don't know. This one.
I was looking at that one. We're back in the focus, as you can probably tell by the pops and bangs.
Yeah, back in the chav wagon.
What's happening?
We're on our way to the vehicle tuner in Warrington. A guy
Super
in the
cheap.
comments, yeah, really cheap. A guy
Real
in the comments,
down on the monies.
much cheapness.
Yeah.
Guy in the comments said, go and try them out. They're very, very good. We went, what, about a week ago?
Yeah, but he couldn't fit us in.
Dead chilled. We walked in and he's sat there on his computer chair, massive telly on the wall, watching dance music on YouTube with his feet up.
Legend.
Yeah, I mean,
What a job, eh?
I know, living the dream. So we're going to go and see him. He's charging us 40 quid for 3 dyno runs, which is pennies, really.
Maybe that's
pennies.
plus that, but I can't see it. Probably
Hopefully
40
it's
quid,
not.
All in.
I don't know if he'll know what plus that
Maybe not.
means,
No.
and I'm not too sure. But hopefully we can get our 3 decent dyno runs in, and we're hoping that this is going to be 375 horsepower.
Yeah, ish. 370, 375. It might run like, I don't know, it might run 300 horsepower. We don't know yet.
Well, did you buy it 0 to 60?
Well, yeah, possibly. I'm going to have a guess as 360.
360. I'm going to guess and say it's standard 345, so I'm going to say about 340. Whilst my RS4 wheels were getting refurbished in a different colour, I had this for about a day or so, and I actually really started to like it.
It is good. It is good down these back lanes. It's a bit of torque there still. I'm
Yeah.
looking at that camera.
I don't know. Oh my Christ! I was trying to do like a bit of a sensible. I'm starting to really like the car.
Go on then.
But
What
I
was you
can't
gonna say?
concentrate. So it drives phenomenally. The gearbox for me and how it changes gear is absolutely brilliant. It reminds me of an Audi TT because they're a short shift and they're really direct. And as much as the suspension is quite annoying after a little bit because it's rock hard, the steering is mega, other than the torque steer. But I think it's, well, we still need to get it tracked. Once the tracking's done, the torque steer will be boxed off. It's finding time. We've got too many cars dicking about in too many cars.
We
Just trying
are
to find
thinking about.
time.
So here we go.
Is this?
Is it? No.
No,
wrong one.
next one.
So yeah, it's this next little cut
Yeah.
out. Vehicle tuner.
The vehicle tuner. I mean, yeah, as names for companies go, you wouldn't struggle to know what he did, would you?
No, and he's not really took ages to work that company name out, has it?
No, it's still knocking at the front, this.
You can hear the knock,
Yeah.
but supposedly there's nothing wrong with it. We had it in the garage 2 days ago, and it's fine. So here we are.
Here we are at the
There
vehicle
he is.
tuner. You can see the TV screen on the wall over there. In fact, oh, he's on Facebook. That's Facebook on the big TV
So
screen
he's
there.
doing a bit, as usual.
Yeah.
Now-
Yeah, let's go and see how slow this is.
Hi mate, okay? Alright, you booked in? Yes, 10:30, alright.
Back in the garage then.
Yeah, so it's a good job we're late.
Third, because he's not here.
He's not here, no.
3 days, 3 garages.
I know. Yeah, we're doing all right, aren't we?
So the bonnet's had about, not 24 hours, but it's had a bit of time to settle down. And I think, hey Ben, I think this colour's slightly out. Or is it just because that's tatty?
It'd just be because that's old and
Yeah.
dirty, and that's polished and new.
So we're going to have to get it all polished up on your phone as usual. So go on, just so it's doubly on camera, how much you're saying?
340, I reckon.
Right, so I'm doing 360.
360, 340.
He's not trusting you to do this.
No way.
Good job we've got extenders and unextenders.
This is the story of my life, this. Not me too.
Yeah. You're always short, aren't you? You always fall short. That's what your
gotta-
girlfriend tells me
You
anyway.
just gotta, yeah.
I think that's going to come off. I think we should strap it down.
I think it definitely gets strapped down. Fucking really good though, isn't it?
Can't ever come off, never come off, no. Never.
Can't come off actually, just in case.
Yeah, never come off before.
Good news.
We don't want a Chavmobile coming off, do we? Can't even have a shitting piece.
Hands on the phone. Huh? This is what happens every time.
I'm checking subscribers, seeing what everyone's up to. Anyway, this is happening now. That didn't look too good to me.
That's a 262 horsepower.
262, yeah. But the you see that black smoke come out?
Yeah.
Big bang of black smoke.
Not a lot of horsepower. Not a lot.
Right, so what's the reason for that then?
I don't know.
What do you know about cars?
I know fuck all about these. So far I was closest. 285 horsepower.
Yeah, but he's just doing a soft run on it.
Oh, okay.
It's only got front wheel drive.
It doesn't sound soft to me, that. Well, it was less on four-wheel drive though. Yeah, so we've established now why it'll do just under 5 seconds to 60.
It's gone up 3, 285 to 288. I'm off. See you later.
That's worse.
See you in a bit.
Bye. That is a prime example of all talk, no action. What a racket that made for 280 horsepower.
Looks good though, doesn't it? Look at him now. You've seen how happy he is.
I shouldn't be, because it's my money too. Is that broke or something? Is he only running half the engine? You must be gutted more than me. Because this is your thing. Fast forwards, not so fast forwards.
There's a reason it's 40 quid for the dyno. It's not even correct, is it?
Alright.
Oh, mate.
Are we taking it to awesome? Horsepower?
350.
It's 350. Yeah. So what did that say on there? That was 289, that said then.
No, that was at the wheels.
Oh, that was at the wheels.
Yeah, that's the wheel power.
Okay.
Ah,
Yes.
here we go. So
You got 2349 and the last one is 346.
346, 349,
So it's bang on.
346.
Yeah.
And what did I say? 340. You said 360, so I won.
Yeah, you're full of shit.
And
You
we've also established that it's not a Mountune because it should be 375 horsepower. So
Yeah.
it's a Billy Boggo.
Do we get a print out of this?
Yeah, of course.
Cheers.
Thank you very much. There we go. Well, that's a relief because we thought it was a fucking joke, didn't we?
So wheel horsepower, because that's obviously always down
Yeah,
on
of
the
course
actual
it is. Yeah.
flywheel.
Phew.
Yeah.
I mean, it's broke now anyway. Definitely broke now.
It's bang on though. I mean,
Yeah.
that's bang on the money.
Yeah, there you go.
So
19,250, and it's actually 4 or 5 horsepower more than.
do you know what? About 5 minutes ago, I was a bit upset. But now, 5 minutes later, I'm actually happy that it's made 345.
Yeah, 345 horsepower. Well,
See? The little blue Smurfy thing is okay.
driven by Chav Smurf.
At least my Ford actually kicking out the horsepower rather than your RS Ford, which is 70 horsepower down.
Give us a break, would you? That's 13 years old. And
Yeah, this is
it's
4 years old.
poorly. It's done more than double the mileage this has done.
Yeah, who's laughing now? See you later. You can drive that one.
No, well, fucking don't want to. In fact, I will. I actually like driving it now. I do like driving it, just very slowly and not on bumpy roads.
Yeah. Hold on a minute. I owe you a breakfast again.
You said 360, I said 340.
Are you
and
taking
9
a
horsepower.
piss?
No, what
We didn't even agree on a deal for it. We didn't even agree on a bet.
This is the thing. It's a silent agreement. We did this at the beginning. Thank you very much,
Cheers,
my
mate.
man. Thank you. So this is what it's saying here. So your 350 horsepower Chavmobile is still slower than a 300 horsepower S3, 0 to 60.
Like this 349 and 7, which you might as well say 350 horsepower, 505 on top.
Consistent, isn't it?
Yeah, but,
Consistently shit.
well, yeah, it is a bit shitty, but
Nah, it's not. It's good. That's really good for it to be that close. In fact, to be more, These definitely should be 345 horsepower standard. Is that what it should
Yeah,
be?
345, yeah.
And that's saying 349, 349, 346.7.
It's more or less. It's never going to be exact, is it? It's never going to be exact.
So it's lost absolutely 0 horsepower, or if it is a Mountune, it's lost 25 horsepower.
So that's it, video over. See you later, guys. Thanks, subscribe, all that kind of stuff.
It's actually recording.
Yeah.
You can't do an ending to the video like that.
Well, there's nothing else to do.
You've got to put a bit more effort into it. This is how happy he is about his car.
It's done the test in 5 minutes. Some are 20-minute videos, some are 5-minute videos. This one, 5 minutes. Get up. 11:30. That's what I'm talking about, an easy day. See ya, come on.
See you later.
Right, so even though we didn't have any breakfast on it that he thinks we did, you've won that. I'll give you that one. You were within, what did I say, 360, you said 340, did
340,
you?
yeah, we had 2 runs at 349, 1 run at 346. So
to be honest though, if you think about it, I know we're talking points and stuff, which I'm a bit like pissed off about. You were 0.3 closer.
So that means I still won.
He does. 349. 349.7. Do you know what 0.3 is? It's not a lot in horsepowers. And you've won. So really, you round stuff up, don't you? No, come on, you got to agree with that. You round stuff up. You round stuff up.
Why can't you just admit defeat?
Everyone rounds shit up.
Did he shite?
So really, it did 350.
No.
You said 340. I said 360. So can we not call it a draw?
Absolutely.
Tight bastard.
No way. We agreed on who was going to be closest, and who was closest doesn't buy breakfast. That's what we silently agreed.
No, we didn't. We didn't silently agree. He's full of shit. How many times have you heard him be full of shit? Today's no different. We will be back to see Gabs at the vehicle tuner at some point in the future.
Yeah, really good guy.
40 quid because...
No fucking way I sold that car. That actually did. CBX, remember the plate. A nice little M3 there.
So anyway, I think I waffle.
You are waffling, I was jumping in.
Right, I'm finishing the video now for good. Right, so thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting.
Thank you very much. Yeah, seriously, your comments. We're trying to get to as many people and like sort of respond to as many people. I know this sounds ridiculous because we've got 3,000 subscribers, but there's so many you fucking arsehole. There's so many comments that come through, which is absolutely amazing. And we try and get to all the ones that are sound, and keep calling him a bellend because it's brilliant, and reading the comments in the morning, it makes my day. This PCP video is fucking superb.
I don't even
He
care.
got called a mong the other day.
I've been called worse off my wife. My wife calls me everything, so someone who I don't know calling me a mong really doesn't bother me. Keep it coming.
It's fucking brilliant.
Anyway, see you later.
Ta-ra.